Enumerate the different personal monitoring devices. Describe the working principle and different parts of TLD. What is a glow curve? Define and describe with example isometric transition, internal conversion, electron capture. Describe Bremsstrahlung lung radiation and factors affecting its production. Describe briefly various challenges of attenuation correction in a PET MR system and strategies to correct them. Describe briefly filtered back projection and iterative reconstruction with schematics. What is the time of flight PET? What are the types of statistical errors? Briefly describe sample size calculation for randomized control trial study. Absorbed dose, equivalent dose and effective dose. Radiation weighting factor and tissue weighting factor. Describe interaction of radiation with matter and its application in nuclear medicine. Derive decay equation. What are the different types of equilibrium achieved in a mixture of parent and daughter radionuclides? Define the following: partial volume effect, full width at half maximum, 10th value layer, linear energy transfer, branching ratio. Scintillation crystals used in PET system. Compare the properties. 18F FET versus 18F F-DOPA in glial tumors. Why F18 sodium fluoride bone scan is not able to replace technetium-99m MDP bone scan. LAL test, swipe test. What are the principles radionuclide generator in nuclear medicine? Various PET radionuclide producing generators. Name the various available bone pain palliation agent for Indian patient. What are the emerging radiopharmaceutical for similar application? Name useful alpha emitters currently available and their characteristic. Why in India we are not able to produce such radionuclides? Describe the various bifunctional chelators. Justify how 21st century radiochemistry has been changed due to such chelants. Name the various peptide-based radiopharmaceuticals and describe one in detail. Imaging agents for insulinoma. Imaging agents for neuroblastoma. Describe the imaging artifacts in SPECT and SPECT-CT. How will you avoid or minimize them? Hepatobiliary scintigraphy in spectra of OD dysfunction. Lymphoscintigraphy. Role of nuclear medicine imaging in movement disorders. Bone scintigraphy in regional pain syndrome, diabetic foot. Genetics of differentiated thyroid cancer both in adult and in children. Describe the causes of thyrotoxicosis, how to manage various thyroiditis. Role of PET-CT in staging and response assessment of non-small cell lung cancer. How PET-CT has changed the management of metastatic castration-resistant prostate cancer. Discuss the various types of paragangliomas, imaging option, and mutation status that help current management strategies. Latest WHO grading of neuroendocrine tumors, carcinoid tumors of lung. Recent WHO classification of brain tumors. Discuss molecular markers and their implication in nuclear imaging strategies. Total lesion glycolysis (TLG), metabolic tumor volume (MTV). Rhenium-188 based radiopharmaceutical and their use. Alpha radionuclide therapy with emphasis on current status and future potential. Compare and contrast the multiparametric MR versus nuclear imaging in prostate cancer. Amyloid imaging. Lewy body dementia. Discuss left ventricular dyssynchrony in patients with heart failure, pathophysiology and diagnosis. Role of nuclear imaging in triple negative breast cancer management. DLBCL versus ALCL. TARE versus TACE. What is current ATA definition of radioiodine refractory DTC? Discuss the management strategy of radioiodine refractory DTC. Neuroimaging characteristic of hippocampus sclerosis, focal cortical dysplasia, D and ET.